I have had the privilege to empower hundreds of students just like you to turn their passion for etiquette and manners into a profitable career. And now I want to share with you the key to unlocking your potential and reaching new heights. It's time to embrace my powerful pillars of success and break free of the habits that are holding you back. Did you know that the coaching industry is one of the fastest growing sectors in the world? It is literally skyrocketing, and that is why I am thrilled to introduce you to the Etiquette Masterclass for coaches and professionals. In this exclusive free session, I will reveal the 3 pillars that paved the path to my success. Etiquette is not a thing of the past. It's alive and more crucial than ever in our rapidly changing world. And you are ready to seize this incredible opportunity. Don't miss out on the chance to be a part of this transformative masterclass.